Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the November bargain bead box. I just received this in the mail yesterday. Today is Sunday. So I did look at it and it was very pretty. So it's called the Cozy Chrysanthemums collection. An interesting thing about this word right here is this right here is was my mother's name, Chrysanthe, which is a Greek name. And this was her nickname, Chrysa. She went by the name Chris, and then we started calling her Chrysa. And when my daughter was born, I named my daughter Chrysa after her. And my daughter, I ended up being a week late. I was supposed to deliver her end of October. It ended up being November, and this is her birth flower. So yeah, just a little interesting piece of information. So yes, these are the Cozy Chrysanthemums collection, and I looked at everything and they're gorgeous as usual. So it says, your beads. Is there anything cozier than the holiday season? Natural gemstones take center stage this month with a warm Thanksgiving-inspired palette of gold, red, purple, and cream. Genuine mookaite. Oh my gosh, I can't say this word. Mookaite. Fossiled coral, golden agate, yellow quartz, and matte golden hematite combined with sparkling crystals and high-quality findings for a festive floral feel. We love the enameled charms. So this is everything. Let me move this. Been eagerly expecting this box. Oh, very pretty. Oh, gorgeous. There's some agate in there. Facet quartz beads. Oh, these are cool. Hematite man-made flower rondelles. Oh, very pretty. The chrysanthemum link. These are pretty. Some chain. Oh, how pretty. Enameled autumn wreath. Oh, really pretty. Oh, these are pretty too. Gold-plated pewter wreath links. So let me get everything. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start with 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in lavender steel, 12 inches. These are really pretty. Make sure okay. Sometimes it looks like my lighting isn't good. Look at this, you could just take these and make a bracelet, a 2-strand bracelet just out of this. Very pretty. Very pretty. Just gonna put that right there. And next, oh, these are gorgeous. 8mm crackled agate round beads dyed and heated in goldenrod, 7 inches. These are like a mustard yellow. That's what it reminds me of all the striations in them, how each one's a teeny bit different. That's the thing about a lot of gemstones. They're not perfect the way they're set up, but they're gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Next is 8mm Mookaite round beads, 7.5 inches. I always say Mookanite. It's Mookaite, I know. I'm always like Mookanite. I always put an extra A in there. So, these are gorgeous. Look at the different colors of the purple with the rich berry, maroonish red color, a little bit of a gray color in there. Gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. And next is 8mm Mookaite matte round beads, 15 inches. I'm so excited to finally get this. I thought it would be here a little earlier. It wasn't. Look at these. Oh. Look at how gorgeous these colors are. Look at the little hints of different colors in some of these. Look at that pretty soft purple, and then there's the rich deep red. Like absolutely gorgeous. And next is approximate 8mm fossil coral round beads, 7.5 inches. These are pretty too. These are almost like sand and a little bit of a very light green. These are like warm, like caramely colors and sand. Very pretty. Very pretty. And next is approximately 33mm Mookaite and brass pendant. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at this. I'm sure each person's box is a little different with these. Gosh, these are so pretty. Whew. And next is 9mm half matte crystal faceted round beads in slate peacock. 6 inches? Yeah, looks like 6 inches. Oh, I love these. I love these beads when they send them to us because I love how they have those little matte lines and the rest are so crystally. Look at that when you just move it around. Gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait. My creativity is reeling right now. Next is 31 by 24mm 18 karat gold plated pewter wreath links, 4-piece lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh. So they look like they're the same on both sides. These are really cool. See, and it's got a hole there, and then it's got a hole right there. I've got some really cool ideas for these things. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get started. Hope everybody's doing well. This is 5 by 3mm plated hematite man-made flower rondelles in matte gold, 7.5 inches. These are cool. Oh, and these holes are a little bigger. You could probably put these on leather if you wanted to, or like a thicker string. Look at that. That's kind of a cool look to it. And next is 15 by 13 millimeter enameled autumn wreath charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 2 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. These would be really pretty at the end of some drop earrings. Some little dangles. And next is a 20 by 17 millimeter enameled chrysanthemum pendants, 2. These are pretty. These are really, really pretty. This would be perfect for earrings. Okay. Oh, I like these. And next is 13 by 8 millimeter nickel-free brass magnetic clasps. Blah, clasps. Clasps. 2 pieces. Saying, having trouble talking today. And look at these. This matches really well with this. Such a rich, deep, it looks like a delicious Cabernet. 8 by, is that 5? Faceted glass rondelle beads in dark red, 15.5 inches. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. Oh, look at that sparkle. Yes. So pretty. Okay, there's a couple more. Next is 4 by 3 millimeter faceted quartz rondelle beads dyed. It's a pretty rich goldy yellow. It's almost like a sunflower color. Matches kind of with these. Very pretty. And these are really pretty. Well, I told my daughter that this month's box is named after her and her yaya. The next is a 30 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass chrysanthemum links, 2 pieces. Now these are really cool because, I mean, the possibilities are endless. You could, you know, attach here and here and have a dangle coming off of it. You know, you can move these around a little bit if you wanted to. And they're lightweight, so you could use these for earrings if you wanted, or this could make part of a cool pendant. So these are gorgeous. And last but not least, 5 by 4 millimeter brass curb chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 1 meter. So this is pretty. It's a little different color than this, but you know, you don't have to use them together. These are more the same gold, and this is more of a gold. This kind of, no. But you can use this on its own. Very pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I wish it would have came a little sooner. I was so excited to get this month's. I hadn't seen anybody do an unboxing yet. So I will leave a link to the bargain bead box below. And it said that the approximate total retail value for the shipment was $72.34. Not totally sure about that, but I think it's $20 a month, $20.99, something like that. I've been getting it for so long that I don't remember the price, but yeah, so stay tuned. I definitely will have a couple tutorials coming for these this week. And I'll leave a link to the bargain bead box below. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so. I have a lot of videos coming up. And I have links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages below. So if you would like to follow me on any of those, you go right ahead. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.